is doing he likes the classes of maths and physics, as I said. Okay, and he doesn't want to miss those classes at all at any cost. So we also have to make a lot of adjustment just to ensure that he joins those classes. And I've seen a lot of improvement, at least in problem solving, especially in math and maths. Okay, and in fact, I also give him some equations and all that, and he does it very very well. So whatever you guys are doing, it is really helping him a lot. Okay, so let's continue like that. See, the content is very good. That is one thing which I found very good. Okay, and the kind of preparation you guys do for each class is really very good. Okay, what happens is if your concepts are good, you can solve a lot of complex problem later on. So I've seen that foundation being built properly. So that is one very
Personal
good part,
attention is also.
and even the personal attention is also there. Okay, so that is the advantage. I mean, that is what I mean. I was discussing with one of my friends. Ki what are the pros and cons of having the offline coaching and online coaching? So generally, people think that online coaching is like people students get distracted. They don't listen to the teacher and all that. But I'm finding it very very surprising that here he is getting more benefit than offline classes. So that is one very good thing.